So in this video, I am going to share with you how I make myself a cute farmhouse welcome sign. I'm just going to use this windmill here from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to pick it apart, take off the windmill, and I'm going to hot glue it onto a piece of wood. Keep watching and I'll show you how it turns out. Just going to go in and paint my board. So here's my welcome sign. I think it turned out really nice. It's just a piece of wood from Home Depot. That piece of wood's probably about $5. I just painted it white, used my Cricut machine and the font Georgia, cut out the word welcome, and just transferred everything over. Hot glued my windmill, and it made a really nice farmhouse welcome sign. And you don't even have to have a Cricut machine or vinyl cutting machine to do this. You can certainly just buy the board, paint it white, get the Dollar Tree windmill, and buy some wooden letters, paint them black, and that would actually make it pop and stand out more than the vinyl. But that's gonna end my video, and thanks for watching.